All right, guys. So in this video, we are going to cover some mistakes to avoid when purchasing your first piece of land or any piece of land. So the first thing is the mistake would be to not check your legal access or zoning. And I know we've said that multiple times. And that's because land can be very simple. It's just there's a few things that you have to check for. So make sure you can always legally reach your property and that it fits your intended purpose or the use. Because if you can't do what you want with that property, it might make you upset later. So the next thing is ignoring taxes or your HOA fees, right? You want to know what it's going to cost you to own this property every year, right? And if it's lower and it's like cheaper every year, it's going to make it easy and affordable for you to own land over the long run. The next thing is focusing on acreage over usability. And meaning that some people are like, oh, I need a ton of land, like 5 acres, 10 acres, 100 acres. But if the purpose that you want for your land is to have it somewhere where it's closer to stores, even owning an acre where it's like closer to the store or closer to a hospital or something, usability is sometimes better or more important than just like, oh, it's 100 acres or 1,000 acres. And then the last one, which is not taking action, right? Is now we're at towards the end of this course, and we can always keep learning more and more and more about buying land or all the details and the nerdy stuff. But sometimes that creates like inaction, meaning we just sit around learning, and then never doing anything, right? So waiting too long to decide on your piece of property or taking action to owning your first piece of land can be a mistake, because good land gets bought up quickly, and there are a lot of people that are looking for it and are starting to look for it because there's more awareness, with land ownership. So those are pretty much the major mistakes when it comes to land. And now we're coming to the end of the course, and we're gonna wrap up with a bonus